warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Jordan Jaya, and I'm gonna present my presentation. The title is Behavioral Process, and this is also my presentation when I was in UNPAD. So let's start. So what is a behavioral process? This is a process that uh, a part of transitivity analysis. So transitivity analysis is described as a structural clause that determines the various types of process that are recognized in language. The transitivity system interprets human experience into a set of process types. In the transitivity system, there are three aspects of meaning: the process, the participant, and circumstance. So, sensitivity analysis is a method of exploring how language represents our experience of the world. So the definition of behavioral process. So I use the Halliday and Matheson theory. According to them, behavioral processes are process of physiological and psychological behavior like breathing, coughing, smiling, dreaming, and staring. Behavioral is located at the boundary between material and mental. They are partly like the material and partly like the mental. The participant who is behaving is behavior. So the person the person is behavior. The participant is conscious, conscious like the sensor, and the process are more like doing. The process of the behavioral process is subconscious. So the participant itself, the person is, they are conscious like of what they're doing, but the process itself is subconscious. So we need uh, first we need to know about mental and material, because behavioral process is between mental and material. So this is material process is a process of doing something cyclically, such as eating, reading, or dancing. So like we can do it at physically. And also mental process is a process of feeling, thinking, or perceiving, such as enjoying, forgetting, or believing. They are mental process, not physical. And then behavioral process is a process of psychological and psychological, such as breathing, smiling, or looking. So there, the behavioral process is between the two of them. There are also another process like relational process, verbal process, and also existential process. Relational process is process of being, such as having. Verbal process is process of saying or signaling, such as speaking. Existential process is a process of existence, such as representing something that happened. So this is different between material, mental, and behavioral process. Material is other experience, and the sentences can be changed into passive, like the pizza is eaten, and also written in present progressive rather than present tense. The second, mental, is inner experience, so they happen at our mind, our brain, can be changed into passive by replacing the verb with another word. Also, the tense having as process is simple present. Uh, uh, Sedangkan behavioral itself is, it can be inner or also outer. So it can happen in our brain, but also can happen in physically, like physically, it can happen physically, can be changed into passive, written in progressive. So this is the most typical pattern of behavioral process. It consisting of behavior, the person, and the process only. The process is in verb, and the example is he is crying. He is behavior, and is crying is the process. According to Halliday, the behavioral process is located between material and mental process. It also shares several characteristic with material and mental process. Near mental process of conscious represent as form of behavior. This is the example that behavioral process is near mental. The verb is the example of verb is look, watch, stare, listen, think, worry, dream, and near verbal. It's also near verbal too. Verbal process as form of behavior like chatter, grumble, talk, gossip, argue, murmur, and mouth. Psychological process manifesting state of consciousness. The example is cry, laugh, smile, frown, see, sob, snarl, hiss, whine, nod, and also other psychological process like breathe, sneeze, cough, hiccup, burp, faint, yawn, and also sleep. Like they they this process is th- they have voice, and also near material bo- bodily posture and pastime like sing, dance, line, sit, like that. Uh, uh, like before, the most common structure is only only like only behavior and process, but there is another structure which is used commonly in this structure. There is an additional participant which is same as scope in material process. This participant is called behavior. The example is I was singing a pop song. I is the behavior, was singing a process. A pop song is the behavior, like the what are you singing, the process itself is uh, I was singing the behavior of pop song. There is also another structure include another participant. The example is she is watching me. She is behavior, is watching is process, me is phenomenon. The participant you me appears in there is like phenomenon in mental clause. This additional participant is called phenomenon because the process is near mental, and the participant of the mental clause is called phenomenon. Circumstances also work with behavior process. Circumstance is used to give more explanation about the process. Usually there are three circumstances that use in behavior process. They are matter, manner, and place. The example is she is thinking about you. She behavior is thinking process about you itself is a matter. Uh, the process is a matter. Then I am thinking hard. The I am behavior am thinking process. Hard is a manner of the process. Also, he is staring at me. He is behavior is staring a process, and at me is place. So circumcision can also work with behavioral process. When behavioral process, when behavioral cell behavioral shares with material, it can be clear that the sentence is behavioral or not. Like she is singing, the sentence start is behavioral. The second is she is singing a pop song to make her happy. The sentence is not clear because there is a goal. So like the second sentence is she is singing a pop song to make her happy. The process is not absurd. Unconsciousness is consciousness. So uh, the part the behavior conscious, the process is conscious. So this cannot be behavioral process. Mm. So also when behavioral set with mental like that. So that is my presentation about behavioral process when I was still Universitas Pajajaran. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.